Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be part 2 of my decorate with me, which is the part where I'm actually decorating. So, I mean, you can kind of see I've already done it. I'm filming this intro after. But yeah, if you haven't seen my part 1 already, definitely go check that out. It's a haul of everything that I bought, and I tell you guys where everything is because I don't mention it in this part of the video. So if you want to find out where things are from, make sure you check out my first video. I will have it linked for you. And yeah, this was a long process, a very long process. So I'm so tired, but everything looks really good. So if you want to see how I decorated my bedroom, my bathroom, and my beauty room, then just keep watching. Don't mind my filming setup here, but it is so hectic in here. Like, it's a mess. Alright, so I think I'm going to start off with the bathroom, and then I'll do the bedroom, and then I'll do the beauty room because I have the most stuff for in here and it's already such a mess. So I'm going to try to clear out everything that I can so that I have more room to do the decorating in here. Alright, here is a quick overview of my bathroom and what it's currently looking like. So I'm not going to be doing a ton in here, but we do have a few things to add. I have all of the decor here to decorate. That was literally the hardest thing to open for no reason. Like, that was ridiculous. Alright, here's a little overview of the bathroom now. I put the extra towel just in there, and I have the Let It Snow bath mat. So very simple decor. You can kind of see the tag there. I'm leaving the tags on until I'm completely done in case I change my mind on anything, or like I have too much stuff or whatever, I can still return it. But yeah, that's what the bathroom looks like. Very simple. I didn't do too much to it. It was kind of like a last minute thought anyways, but I think it adds just a little bit of extra something. So yeah, moving on into the bedroom. Alright, I'll give you guys a quick overview of what my room looks like before. So I do have my Christmas tree up already there. That one is an old Christmas tree that we had that the lights stopped working on, and it's kind of crappy, so decided to just make it work for my room. And I already set it up just because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, so I didn't want to buy stuff for it. So I have that up, and then I also have that little Christmas tree there. That one I bought before I decided I was going to put a tree in my room, so that was going to be my tree. So I bought it a couple weeks ago, and it's already too late to take it back, so I'm just keeping it. And then I did put this runner underneath my TV because I also did that when I did the tree. But yeah, that's kind of it for the bedroom. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is just clean off my little side table.
Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain is pouring.
So I showed you guys this in the haul, but I have this super cute snow globe. I'm absolutely in love with it, and it lights up, but it sings, which is so disappointing because I really don't want that singing all the time. But it's still super cute. It just kind of sucks, but it's alright. Also, I wanted to show you, my boyfriend got me a Dundee for our anniversary, our 6 years, and I'm obsessed. We actually got each other Dundies without even knowing it, which is so funny. But yeah, we love The Office, so I love this. It's the Indecisive Award, which describes me perfectly because I can never make up my mind. So yeah, I love that.
In blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do.
Alright, so next I'm going to put up some Christmas lights. I'm so excited about this. So I'm going to put them above my headboard. And I showed you guys in the haul the lights I got, but I got the wrong one, so I went today to exchange them. And these are the ones that I wanted because they're all the different colors. So this is a multicolor LED mini light. It's 6.3 feet long, only $6, and they're battery operated. And then I got some of the clear command hooks to put them up with. Alright, that's what the lights look like. I think they're cute, especially when I have like everything else lit up and just those. It's a good size, except for the fact that like I don't have anywhere to really put the remote, and I don't want to have it hanging because I don't want it pulling on the rest of it. I could put it on top of the headboard, but I'm worried that it might fall off. So like it doesn't look the best sitting up there, but probably the safest option. They also have a timer on it, which is really nice, so I can like keep them on while I'm going to bed, and then they'll turn themselves off. And I'll quickly show you guys what it looks like with the lights off. That's without the ring light, and I think they're so cute. And then there is with the bedroom lights off. It's so cute. It's such a vibe. I love it. Oh, I'm so happy I did that. So yeah. So the last thing that I have to do for my bedroom is decorating the tree. I'm not going to film it just because the tree's in such an awkward position. There's just not going to be any way that I'm going to get any good footage from it. But I will definitely show you guys decorating the tree in the beauty room. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back to give you guys a full view of how the room turned out. Alright, my tree is all done. She's so cute. Give you a bit of a closer look. It's not the best thing, like the tree itself is just not great. So definitely next year I will buy a new one. I also had to buy new lights for it because they burnt out, and the lights don't completely fit around the tree. So the bottom part there's a little bit bare because there's no lights, and I also had to put a weight on it because it's tilting. So I definitely don't want it falling over. So yeah, that's what she looks like, but it's not a big deal for me because also look at my dog. She's so sweet. Hi, Liz. So cute. So yeah, it's not a big deal that the bottom isn't lit up because my bed ends up covering it. So it's only from that side angle that you would notice it. But I absolutely love how it came out. I love the colors and everything. It's so pretty. And all of the decorations really helped make it look more full. I'm glad that I added those like extra pieces like the flowers and the red looking berries and those kind of things because it really helped fill out the tree. It definitely was looking very bare before that. So yeah, I will give you guys a quick overview of the room because I'm now completely done. All right, starting over at my little side table, I have that little oil diffuser I added. I also have my Vanilla Bean Noel body spray because it just smells so good, and a gingerbread little hand cream. That's all I really added there. That little space gets crowded, so I definitely did not want to put much on there. And then going up from there, above my headboard is where I have the lights. They're so pretty. I'm going to give you guys a little overview of what it looks like with the lights turned off so you can kind of get the vibe in here because it's super cute. And then going over this way, we've got the Christmas tree. So yeah, she's super cute over there in the corner. And then we have my TV here. So I have that garland and those two little decorations on either side. And then we have this shelf here. So that has my small Christmas tree with a glittery one in my candle. Then we have that glittery Christmas tree, the little ornament, and the snow globe. And on that last shelf, I just have a little white flower arrangement, which has some like glitter on it. Kind of looks like snow. Alright, so that is it for my room decor. I don't have a ton of space in here, so I definitely didn't want to add too much and have it too overcrowded. But I really like the things that I added. They definitely just give that little extra Christmassy vibe. But I'm very excited to do my beauty room because I just can't wait to see how it turns out. I have such a vision for it. So I'm going to give you a quick overview of what the room looks like with just like the Christmas lights and the tree and everything on. And then we'll move over to the beauty room. Alright, I'm in my beauty room now. So I just went downstairs and I washed those glass containers that I'm gonna like DIY because they're very dirty. So those are drying. I think the first thing I'm gonna start doing is the tree. I'm not gonna decorate it yet. I'm just gonna get it set up and everything because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to move furniture around in order for it to fit. So I wanna get that figured out before I start decorating things. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. There she is. Super cute. I'm obsessed with it. I love the flocked look. I really kind of wish I got one of these for my bedroom as well, but I'll do it next year. But this is gonna look so good. It's so much better than the one in my bedroom. So very excited to decorate. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start rearranging this furniture. I have so much going on, but I want to put it right there where the table is, but I'm obviously gonna have to move things. So I'm gonna play around a bit and we'll see what works. Alright, I have the tree in its spot. It's super cute there. I love it. It fits really well. The only thing that sucks is I had to move the table. So I moved this out of there because that was on that side. So I'm going to just put that in my closet. The only thing that sucks about it is these are not even with the desk now and it drives me nuts. But I'm planning on taking those pictures off and I'm putting stockings up there. So we'll see if maybe it looks better. So I'm going to set up my table here now. A lot of the decor you would have already seen because it's stuff that I've shown in my video. But I do have a table runner to add. And then I'm going to place the stockings up and see how those look. Alright, so that's the table set up. It looks so cute. The one nice thing about not being completely center with the table when I'm filming most likely is that I had more room to like space the decor over on that side out, because when I had my original setup I had to have it all close together to make sure that you could see it behind me. So the next thing I'm going to do is this wreath here because I know this is going to get stuff everywhere and it's going on the top shelves here, so I want to get that out of the way so that all the other shelves I can like clean and everything. And this does have lights in it, so I'm going to put in batteries and see how that looks. You can kind of see it lit up there. It's really beautiful, so I'm excited to put this up. I'm going to take probably everything off of the top shelf for now so that I can get the wreath up there and then see how things kind of look, I guess. Alright, so I have it up there for now. Honestly, I really love it. I think it's going to come together once I put things up there. I'm going to start putting things up there and then rearrange it as we go, but I think it's so beautiful. It looks so good. Like even better than I imagined. I still have the tags on it, so I mentioned before I'm not taking tags off until I have everything done in case I change my mind on anything. But I love it so much. It's so cute. Alright, I'm just gonna keep putting things on these shelves. I'm probably gonna leave the purses the way they are. I don't think I'm gonna put anything there, but I will definitely decorate a few of these shelves here. So I'm going to put together these DIY decorations so that I can find places for them on the shelves. Here's my little DIY decorations. I think they're super cute. I used the Epsom salt to kind of give like a snow effect. Especially with the trees, and then with the other two there I didn't have enough to like fully fill it, so I just added that to make it look more full, but I think they're super cute.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that
Alright, I think that is the final look for the shelves. So that is everything that I added. I think it looks super cute, but I absolutely love the way the top came out. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is the top of my Alex 9 drawers. I'm not putting much up there. I'm just doing the flowers, and I have one little piece of decor for each. So I have the flowers. I'm probably gonna need to trim them down and arrange that and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, there's how the flowers came out. They look so good and sparkly. I added these pink and these gold glitter flowers in it, and I think it looks so good. So the next thing I'm doing is putting up my wreath. I don't want to put on my door because I want to be able to see it every day. So I'm thinking either I'm going to put it above where the chair is, or I'm going to put it on the opposite corner where I have this other picture. So I'm going to try them out and see what looks best. Alright, I've decided I'm going to put it over here above my chair because I don't have a ton of decorations on this side of the room since I'm not doing much with my vanity. And then I also get to see it every time I come in, and it's just so beautiful that I want to look at it all the time. So my last pieces of decoration before doing the tree, I have a blanket and a pillow for my chair. Alright, that is it for the decorations. I'm pretty sure I covered everything. I'm so excited because it's now time to decorate the tree, and I can't wait. I think this one's just gonna look so good. I'm obsessed with my room right now. Looks amazing in here. It's incredibly messy, but it looks really good. My camera stopped recording, so I don't know how much of it you saw. I don't know where it cut off, but basically the last thing is the star, and then the tree is done. Alright, there is the tree. I am so obsessed. It turned out so good. That is officially it for the actual decorating. Now, this place is such a mess, so I'm going to take some time to clean it up, and then I will show you guys the final reveal. And here's another close-up of the tree because I think it is just so beautiful. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. Finally done. I've been doing this since like 3:30 and it is almost 12:30, so I love how it came out. I'm so happy with it. It looks so good in here, and the tree looks amazing, so I'm really glad I decided to do this because it's going to be a nice change of scenery for the next month or so. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this type of video. It's a little different than things that I do, but I really loved it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.